unboxing two very cool Pokemon packs, and I got this at Best Buy. These are penny sleeves, and there's 500 pack for $8, I believe. And let's get into the unboxing. So comment which one down below you would want to open first. Number 1 or 2. Actually, for you guys, it's 1 or 2. So we're going to open number 1 first. We can go over here, number 2.
What pack is that?
This one is a Journey Together series. It is a new series that just came out. And I'm very excited to see these. So here's the thing we don't need. This to here. I opened these before, and I think I got like 3 good cards. And those are some pretty cool cards. And I'm pretty excited to open some more. So there's Fungus or whatever right there. There's Ends Clink right here. There's Lock Kicks. I don't know how to say Pokemon names. Combusken looks like a weird chicken. Alolan Gollin. Pangoro. Swinub. And Wailord. Oh, Wailord. These are pretty cool. I'm going to hand these to my dad. Dad. Next one is number 2. This is another one. And in the last pack, I think I got like, what, 4 good ones? I think. Oh, really? The one good one was Wailord. I think that was like the only really good one. So we got another water. We've got a Spingatito. I already have one of these though. There is Drampa. This is like a grandpa. Drampa. There is Durant, Morgrem, and Starmintum. I got this one too. Ari's Fight Spirit. Octillery. Volcarona. Ooh, this one looks like a good one. Noivern. And like Canrock. That was some pretty cool packs, to be honest. And let's get this. These are the penny sleeves. And I'm going to take one out. Put Noivern in one. There's like a rainbow on the outside. I know it's hard to tell, but like there's a rainbow right here. Two. Guess down below how many good ones I've got. Just know it's more than 2. Three. Keep looking. Okay, that's enough for this one. Then there is Wailord. So we got 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. I guess. And 5 is the answer. If you got it right, subscribe and like the video. Oh my gosh. And I really hope you liked it. I really hope you have a good time watching another video. And here is all the good ones. Pangoro, Wailord, Lycanroc, Volcana, and Noivern. Well, there were some pretty good cards here today. Bye, guys. See you next time.